take me over to Mama's house and let me drop off her bag. Please, without all that other foolishness.
Hold on, I know why it's so tight. You got the... Look, you done got the E-brake.
What? Oh my God.
You feel better?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go to Grandma's house. I've been having car issues, so I can't do a pool no more.
Well, good.
So I can't even make a video out of me doing a pool with you.
Well, good. Thank you, Jesus. Won't he do it?
I wonder if I can make the vlog about it. I got the GoPro set up. What can we talk about on this ride to Grandma's house?
Let's talk about getting there safely there and back without that foolishness.
I told you my car is acting up, so I can't do nothing.
All right.
I took Travis for some pools and
I seen that and y'all was in the rain too.
That was awesome.
That went awesome.
I had to mess something up because now it won't engage VTech no more.
Thank you, Travis. Along with all that foolishness.
I think my turbo messed up. I want to try and launch it, but I don't.
None of that. None of that.
I don't think it's gonna work anyway.
Please don't do none of that.
I mean, I can try and see if it'll work.
No, we don't need to do nothing.
See, you won't do nothing.
Take me home. I see, this is what I'm talking about. I ain't with this. I ain't lying.
All right.
Don't do no more.
All right.
I'm not playing with you.
All right, man.
Car swing, no.
I was saying if it'll work.
Boy, look.
I was saying if it'll work. We good. All right.
Look.
All right.
I'm not playing with you now.
We're going to Grandma's house.
Don't do no more. I'm not playing. My chest hurt for real. Don't do it no more. I ain't playing.
I promise. I ain't gonna do nothing.
I'm for real now. Lord, please keep me. I'm gonna punch you. I'm gonna knock you right in the head. I'm not playing with you, boy.
I'm just playing. All right.
You think I'm playing? I'm gonna have mama to take me home. I ain't playing. I ain't playing with you. No, sir. Or I could drive the car home.
You wanna drive the car home?
Boy, I'm not playing with you.
You wanna drive the car?
Look, don't go riding this lady.
I'm not gonna do that, man. That's illegal.
Let me call Foot Tail.
Man, I'm not gonna do that, man. Relax.
Don't do nothing else. I'm not playing with you. That was enough. Toy, something wrong with the car. That's just to get me in here. I'm not playing with you, boy.
No, I ain't gonna do nothing, man.
Nothing else. I ain't playing. Come hit you in the head now. I'm not playing. Oh my God.
Driving normal.
And you better stay normal too. I'm not playing with you.
I'm not gonna do nothing crazy, man.
Man, please.
You scared?
Yeah, I was scared.
I'm not doing nothing, man. That's the turbo noises.
I will walk on.
It ain't that crazy.
It is crazy. To me it is. Not to you, cause see you is young and foolish and cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. Not No. No child. Your mama too old for that foolishness. Why that thing be sounding? See. Stop. Stop, boy. Stop.
All right. I swear I'm done.
Ain't no swear you done. Boy, I'm not playing with you. I'm gonna hit you right with this water in the top of your head. I'm not playing. No. Let me call Foot and Foot can come pick
Man,
you
I'm
up.
gonna take you home, man. Relax. I was just showing you what I can do.
I don't want to see nothing.
I've been working on my pool.
Well, you better stop now.
I'm not gonna do it here, man.
Oh my God.
We are in a gated place. This is the.
You don't give a dang. You just. Oh my God.
You know how much tickets cost these days?
You act like they'll cost $2 the way you.
But I know these streets.
I wouldn't give a dang. You is not driving me back home.
Come on,
I'm
man.
driving home.
Don't be like that.
Don't be like nothing. Mama could take me home. Oh, no, sir.
Grandma don't want to walk down the stairs.
Boy, get me out of all this foolishness.
go for a ride.
Boy, you do my mama like that. You crazy.
I guess when we get back to my house, like near the house, I'm gonna do I'm gonna launch it or something like that. Get them. Come on, man. I ain't gonna... So I'm gonna like launch it or something. Come on, man. Get in.
Nope.
Come on, get in the car.
Nope.
I ain't gonna. Come on, man. Let me just drive you home.
No.
I'm gonna drive you home.
No.
I promise.
Cause
man.
my heart it need to catch up to the rhythm of the beat. No.
Come on, man.
No.
You can't drive. I got a new clutch.
I'm walking.
Come on, get in the car.
No.
Come on, man. You
I'm not
tripping.
in the car with you no more.
For real?
For real.
Yeah, like I'm fast or something.
Look, I'm not playing with you. But
All right,
you think
come
I
on.
told you not to do it and you did it anyway.
All right, come on, get in. Let's go.
I'm not playing with you, boy.
Okay, come on, man.
I swear to God.
I'm gonna take you home. Let's go. The camera not even recording no more.
You know you a big liar. You be lying.
The last time I lied, I was in 3rd grade.
You's a liar. For real now? I ain't
The camera's
playing.
not even recording no more.
Wait a minute. Let me get my foot in here. God. You know, throw my pocketbook all over the place.
Pocketbook.
Hey. I'm not playing with you.
My pocketbook. You do my pocketbook.
Hey, look.
I should do a burnout. Oh, I'm just playing. Come on. Close the door. Close the door.
Stop.
Close the door.
You bet I'm not playing with
I don't know how to do a burnout. I'll probably end up burning the clutch. Put your seatbelt on.
you. You wait.
All right, I'm gonna slow down.
Hey, look. I'm not playing with you.
woman.
I'm gonna hit you in your chest so hard it's gonna be sitting in your back seat. I ain't lying, boy. You think I'm playing with you? I'm not playing with you. Drive like somebody with some sense. Don't slow down going around this corner.
I have arrow on the car.
Arrow what? Ain't no arrow.
We can take corners real fast.
Don't you? Well, I'm not playing with you. And I don't want no seatbelt on. But when I open this door and tuck and roll, I'm out of here. I'm not playing with you.
Man,
You done did enough.
I only did 2 pulls.
And that's a dang enough. You ain't had no been doing that because you told the car all messed up. Ain't nothing wrong with this car. You just lying to get me in here.
That's wrong how you think that of your son. That's crazy.
All right, I tell you what. You do something stupid and I'm opening this door and I'm gonna punch you in your darn chest and I'm gonna walk home. And I'm gonna lock the door and you ain't coming in. Sure ain't.
Why would you do that?
Cause I'm not playing with you. Look, boy, I'm not playing with you.
Stop.
I'm not playing with you.
Come on, man. Relax.
Ain't no relax.
Hey, what if I launch it right here? Can I launch it? Don't get out the car. Get in. Close the door. Oh man, I ain't gonna look, Lord. I'm gonna drive off normal.
I'm for real. I'm for real now. I'm gonna punch you right in your chest. I'm not playing. You better drive hit you right in. All right. I'm not playing with
One
you.
last one.
No.
One last one.
No. You better do nothing. Stop. I'm not playing.
Come on, home stretch. Home stretch.
Home,
All right, I'm on.
boy. Stop. You better not do nothing. I swear. I'm gonna punch you right in your head.
I'm going to the house.
Stop then. Stop. Stop. I'm not playing with you.
Man, you got anger issues.
No,
You got
I
abuse
love
problem.
my life. You with the.
I'm living my best life. Come on, let's go for a pull. I'll put the camera on.
Put the camera on.
It's not even that fast. I can't even drive properly. Now, if I knew how to drive, you'd be in something else. You'd be something serious. What happened, man?
Boy, don't play with me.
What happened?
Ain't no way what happened. Get me off this camera.
Why you tripping? You gonna open the car for real?
You think I'm something to play with?
Man,
You gonna learn about me, boy. Go on away from me. Go play somewhere.
Child Services gonna see this video.
And the highway patrol gonna see it too. And they gonna get your behind with that foolishness.
They don't know I was driving. It could have all been a simulation.
Ain't no simulation, nothing. I tell them what you were doing.
You gonna snitch on me?
You gonna snitch on me?
Don't sleep tonight.
Don't you?
You better sleep with one eye open.
Well, don't make me go cut the wires off in that car.
You gonna cut my engine harness?
I will cut something. Why you lying?
I'm hurt.
You ain't hurt yet.
You never going in my car again? I guess that's a no. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.